Hi, this is Steve Lombardi from the Lombardi Law Firm, and this is your Legal Minute. We've got a accident on Interstate 80 in Iowa County that involved three different vehicles, at least one being a semi-truck, perhaps two of them. The accident happened. It was a rear-end type collision. Involved in the collision was a man from Eagleville, Missouri, who was driving, it's hard to tell from the report, and appeared to be pulling a 2007 Doon trailer. Also involved in car number 2 is a man from Monticello, Wisconsin, who was driving a 2005 Peterbilt semi-truck. And then in a 2011 Kia Optima was a Grinnell and Lorenzen from Polk City, Iowa. Both Sturdevant, who was in car number 1, and Lorenzen, who was in car number 3, the Kia, were injured and taken to hospitals in both Grinnell and Morengo. According to the Iowa State Patrol Unit 2, which would be Weeden, the guy from Wisconsin, and Unit number 3, Lorenzen from Polk City, were stopped in the westbound I-80 at the 205-mile marker due to slowing traffic in a previous collision. The 2007 Doon trailer driver from Missouri came along, failed to stop within an assured clear distance ahead, and must have either rear-ended him or came along the side of him after noticing he was going to hit him, hit the gas tank, the fuel tank on the semi, ripped it off. Sparks from the metal that was crashing together ended up igniting and causing a fire. This sounds pretty similar to an accident that we just recently settled. It was a case we settled over by Davenport. We ended up in that case having to fly to New Jersey, and we had depositions in Ohio and Wisconsin. We had the driver of the semi come up from Texas. We ended up in federal court over in the Davenport area. That particular accident, several people died, and I think they had over 20 or 30 medical and law enforcement personnel on the scene. The interstate was closed for several hours. It was a mess. In any event, we successfully resolved that case. What people should know in this instance is that when you are in the hospital or from out of state, you still need an Iowa attorney to assist you in investigating the case and then in protecting your rights. There are several things that need to be done. Photograph the trucks, the cars, photograph the accident scene, go to the hospital, photograph your injuries, or make sure that your injuries get photographed. Make sure that the skid marks have been measured. The police do a really good job in Iowa about investigating. The state police will come up with a technical accident investigation report. We obtain that. It takes several weeks for that to get prepared because obviously the troopers are very busy people with all the accidents that are going on. Another thing that we do that is really necessary to protect your rights would be to locate the witnesses, interview them, get statements, get their statements from the insurance company to compare them. Another thing to do is to contact all the insurance personnel, including the health insurance carrier if need be, collect the medical bills, collect the med pay under the applicable insurance policies, bank it and use it for deductibles and for copays, and then lastly file a claim with the health insurance carrier or the ERISA plan. There's a lot of things that need to be done while you're getting better, and that's the main reason why people hire an attorney. This is your Legal Minute. This is Steve Lombardi from the Lombardi Law Firm. Good luck with your case. If we can help you, please give us a call at the contact information that follows. Thank you.